So let's take the mystery out of LANAP pricing so that you don't get surprised. I know money talk isn't the fun part of dentistry, but the wallet matters just as much as your gums. So today, let's break down what LANAP actually costs here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, what affects the price, and how insurance and financing come into play. By the end, you'll know exactly what questions to ask so you don't end up with sticker shock. Hey y'all, I'm Dr. Fatima, your favorite and your friendly board-certified periodontist right here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. My specialty is saving smiles with advanced treatments like LANAP, the laser alternative to traditional gum surgery. And because I get asked all the time about the cost and the coverage, we're gonna clear that up today. So here's the deal. LANAP is an investment. Most people in the Dallas-Fort Worth area will see a range anywhere from about $1,000 to about $2,500 per quadrant, meaning each section of your mouth. So depending on how severe the gum disease is and how many areas need to be treated, a full mouth can actually run you closer to about $6,000 to $10,000. Now before you clutch your pearls, remember, LANAP isn't just about treating gum disease. It can literally save your teeth, your bone, and correct your overall health. Think of it like upgrading from a patchwork car repair to a full engine overhaul. That thing's gonna drive for another 15 years. The upfront cost is higher, but the long-term payoff is huge. So what makes the price vary? First, the severity of the gum disease. More infection is actually gonna mean more laser work. Secondly, whether you're treating just one area versus the entire mouth. The bottom line is no two mouths are the same, and no two price tags are exactly the same. You'll often hear LANAP quoted per quadrant. That's our way of saying 1/4 of the mouth. Upper left, upper right, lower left, and lower right. If you only need one treatment in one or two areas or quadrants, your cost is going to be significantly lower than those needing treatment in all four areas. But here's a pro tip. Sometimes full mouth treatment is actually more efficient, and you may even get bundle pricing when it's all done at one time. Now let's talk insurance, because this is where most people get tripped up. LANAP itself doesn't have its own special insurance code. That means your plan may cover a portion, but don't expect 100%. This is why a benefits check is actually crucial. My office does this for free because nobody has time to be on hold with insurance all day. If insurance only covers a part or none of LANAP, don't panic. You do have options. You can absolutely use your HSA or your FSA pre-tax dollars for LANAP. Many practices, mine included, offer in-house financing with monthly payment plans. And there are third-party financing options like Care Credit, Lending Club, Cherry, and so forth that will help you. So yes, even if the number looks scary at first, breaking it down in monthly payments makes it a lot more manageable. Just like your Netflix bill, but for your gums. So before you make a decision, always compare apples to apples. Ask, is this per quadrant or is this for full mouth? Does it include your follow-up visits? What technology is being used? Because not every laser is LANAP certified. And most importantly, what's the provider's training and experience? Cheaper isn't always better. So remember, this is your health. It's not a Groupon. Speaking of which, you don't have to do this alone. My team offers a free benefits check for anyone considering LANAP. Just click the link below and we'll help you figure out exactly what your plan covers. If this video is helpful, hit subscribe to our channel at Dr. Fatima Robertson. Share it with someone who's been putting off gum treatment, and drop comments in the section below. Your smile deserves better, and I'm here to help you protect it. You gotta have something funny in there when I say now. Cut your pearls.
Okay, I got you. Like,
Woo!
yeah.